This 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 312 BHOK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 38 feet 9 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 10, microwave, water heater, spare tire kit, skylight, LP detector, leveling jacks, awning, slide out, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 312 BHOK is 10,136 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.